What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to add friends in Apex Legends Mobile. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In your Apex Legends main menu, tap on the friend icon on the left side of your screen. From here, you can preview your existing friends list. You can enter a name to search for a specific friend, or tap on requests to see your current friend requests for this account. I am currently a guest user, that's why there is no user in this list. In the Add Friends tab, you can filter this list of users by language, rank, and online time. In your advanced search, you can also simply enter the username to find a specific user. When tapping on My Card, you can preview your username and change the online time options. If you'd like to preview your EA, Apple ID, or Facebook friends in your current friends list, then make sure to log in with the correct account. After linking your account, you will be unable to unlink it from this current account progress, and you will receive a linking bonus after logging in with the account. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.